This is the F Forito Privacy Screen Protector 360 Anti-Peeping Shield. So you can attach this to your laptop and it will prevent people from being able to see from the sides. And it also is an anti-glare as well. Now this one is designed to fit a MacBook Pro 13, which I do not have. So my screen is slightly larger, but that'll work out well because you'll be able to see the difference. So if I go to the side here and you look from the side, you can still see this part of the screen, can't you? But if you see this privacy one, you can't. It's black, right? So let's do it this way. So let's do it like this. What if I just take the half of the screen, right? And I turn my laptop like so. So you can start to see where the privacy part starts, right? So it's at this kind of angle. So if somebody's sitting like at a coffee shop or the person in your the next cubicle, or if you're in an open concept office like they all are now, you can see it fine here and it's actually anti-glare. But from this angle, somebody can't see it. If I didn't have that on there, they can still see my full screen. But here you can see privacy. All right. So that's what you get for less than $15. Pretty good deal, huh? All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great day out there. Smash like, and I'll have the description of where you can buy this in the description box below. I have the link. Have a great day. Take care.